Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rashidi and I'm from Cross-Cultural Understanding A2. So in this video, I'm going to review the serial from America that titled The Office. So The Office is an American television sitcom that very famous. This television series aired from 2005 to 2013 with a total of 9 seasons. The Office story about everyday lives of office employees in the Scranton, Pennsylvania branch of the fictional Dunder Mifflin Paper Company. It is an adaptation of the original BBC series of the same name and was adapted for American television by Greg Daniels, a veteran writer for Saturday Night Live, King of the Hill, and The Simpsons. Uh, episode 1 of the first season of the series will be the main focus of this review. Okay, almost all of the characters that appear in this series are because, as we know, this series tells about the daily lives of these office employees. The episode introduced Michael Scott, the regional manager at Scranton branch of Dunder Mifflin, a distribution company dealing in paper product that is currently under threat of facing downsizing. The news is delivered to him by the Vice President of Northeast Sales, Jan Levinson Good, who along with the other employees can barely tolerate Michael's foolish antics. Also introduce a few of the other workers in the office, including Dwight Schrute, a socially awkward salesman and part-time volunteer sheriff's deputy. Jim Halpert, another salesman who enjoys playing prank on Dwight. Pam Beasley, the receptionist on whom Jim harbors an obvious crush. And Ryan Howard, a temporary worker. Several elements are found in this episode. Because this is the US version of The Office, so we can see a lot more habit and humor than the American themselves. The use uh, the use of verbal and nonverbal communication is very common. They just speak casually when they are talking and use a higher sound when they are mad or feeling angry. Facial expression are very often used in this episode as a form of nonverbal communication, as a form of response from the characters to their interlocutors. Next is personal relationship. Personal relationship can be seen from the form of closeness between employees where they throw jokes at each other. The family value, the family value that can be seen in this episode are when Mr. Scott called all employees to discuss the company's downsize issue. Mr. Scott thinks all employees should know and discuss it together because Mr. Scott considers everyone in the branch to be his family. Package, package and comedy, of course. Next is educational attitude. Educational attitude was seen when Mr. Scott introduced the office environment to new interns, Ryan Howard, so that he can learn about how to work and socialize in the office. The next is the work value. Work value can be seen at a glance during work hours, where some employees go together to drink after a long day of work. Next is the time and space pattern can be seen when Pam's fiance picks her up and Pam says that it's still not time to come home from work because she still has to finish her work. Next is everyday manner. Everyday manner is seen very often in this episode, like Mr. Scott who shakes hands with Ryan, the new intern, to get acquainted. Uh, is also a form of small talk that Pam and Jim do in their spare time. Okay, maybe that's all. This series highly recommended to watch in your spare time as entertain or of interesting stories and light humor. Each episode also makes the audience feel like watching it continuously because of the cuteness between the obvious employees. Maybe that's all for this video. Thank you so much for your attention. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.